Talking about this, what do you guys remember about graphs of linear equations? Do you guys remember how to graph equations from various forms? What if I gave you a form that looked like this? So what is this form? Not standard. This is slope-intercept form. Okay, so if you're given something in slope-intercept form, the way to sketch a quick graph of it is to first do what? What can you plot? There's two parts to this word, the slope and the intercept. Which would you plot first? You're going to plot the y-intercept first. Okay? So if you look at this, where is our y-intercept? -1. So here's your y-intercept. It's designated b, right, in the m or y equals mx plus b form. So if you plot your y-intercept, you can then do what as your second step? Again, you need a total of 2 points to graph a linear equation, a straight line. So here's 1 point. What can we use to find the other point? Good. Use rise over run of the slope to plot a second point. And so our rise over run, when we look at our slope here, which is m, is 3 over 1. So our rise of 3, so 1, 2, 3, our run of 1 gives us a second point, and then we can just sketch the graph that corresponds. And when you're sketching these graphs, you need to label some points. So here, what would be the coordinates of this y-intercept? Is it 0, -1, or is it -1, 0? 0, -1. Remember, it's alphabetical order. X is first and then Y's. And then what would be the coordinates for this point up here? X coordinate of 1, a Y coordinate of 2. So by labeling those points, you now are able to identify that you have your quick sketch of this graph. And so using slope-intercept can be a really useful way, very quick way to sketch what a graph looks like. Okay, I want you to try this one on your own really quickly, please. Okay, see if you can sketch this graph using the slope-intercept form. So what is our y-intercept going to be here? 2. So we label the point 0, 2. And our slope is -2. All right, so when we move down 2, so 1, 2, over 3, you wind up with the point 3, 0. And we can connect those with a straight line to form our sketch. And so that would be the graph given our slope-intercept form.